I got some alter ego watches right here in front of me, and I just want to take the moment to show them to you. I think these are very unique. Of course, they're very similar, but actually very different at the same time. They're both Ladies Datejust. They're both 26 millimeters. This is a 5-digit reference. This is a 6-digit reference. This is a yellow gold motif. This is a rose gold motif. So anybody who is kind of looking to see them next to each other, I think that's probably the more important part of the video, is to kind of show you those two comparison next to each other. Of course, this is a hollow link construction on the bracelet, so you get the more flex on it, which I think is a great thing, to be honest with you. A lot of people think it's a bad, but I think it's great because it really makes the watch wear more comfortably. And then, of course, you get the solid link construction on these, so they are very different. I mean, honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, this one has the Roman numeral markers, this has the Arabic markers. These watches couldn't be too much more different than they are. They're actually not similar at all, but at the same time, very much so. Each are going to set a different mode for your personality. Come check each one of them out at SwissWatchExpo.com.